Here I have Mercedes GLB and let me show you how to use close range braking. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, then let's swipe to the left a few times until you see the settings. So let's tap settings with the car icon, and as you can see, this is the standard view of the settings. All you need to do is use the first tab, which is assistance, then scroll down and select the last one, which is parking. From the parking, let's swipe down and choose manoeuvring assistant. Here you can use the last option, which is close range braking. Let's use this toggle here to enable this feature. And right now you are using the emergency feature that can automatically apply the brakes during the low speed parking maneuvers to prevent a collision. So I really like this feature and recommend to enable the close range braking. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.